Hello, welcome back. So we're cleaning our composite decking today. It's been down for a couple of years. The first year that it had been down, it was fine. It didn't really need much of a clean up that spring, that summer, but now it's been down 2 years. It's starting to look a bit dirty, a little bit black and green in places, a bit mouldy looking. So we're looking to just get it nice and freshened up for this spring and this summer. So we're not going to go down the pressure washer route because this is a raised deck and we've got like a pond liner underneath, and we feel like using a pressure washer on it would be a bit too harsh and it might compromise the integrity of it. We've also got a planter there which we've invested in some nice plants for, and we want them to be around for several years to come, so we don't want to start blasting chemicals and things into there. So we're going to go for a good old-fashioned approach. We're just going to clear it up first of all, so brush all the debris off, get it nice and clear, and then we're going to use some hot soapy water, something like fairy liquid or washing up liquid, and just a soft brush, and basically just brush it down. We haven't got any really severe stains on here that need any special treatment, so we're hoping this is going to do the job fairly easily and fairly smoothly. So stick around and see how we get on. So a couple of hours along and we're pretty much as done as I think we're going to get with this method. You may have seen, it was a bit of a family affair. My eldest son came up with the idea of using a mop, which actually was a stroke of genius, because as we were scrubbing it, it was difficult to tell whether or not it was like the dirty water sitting there or it still needed more scrubbing. So by using the mop, obviously it just lifted all that water away and we got to see how we were getting on. And it's definitely taken away all the kind of green, the stubborn green and the black and the mould. It just feels cleaner and fresher and looks cleaner and fresher. If you look really closely, however, you will notice that it's not completely spotless. So maybe pressure washing, if we could find a way to do that without compromising the plants and the underneath in future, we could do a kind of gentle pressure wash if there's such a thing. Might be something to think about further down the line once it's been here for a year or two more and maybe the stains get a bit more stubborn. We could also look into some actual proper deck cleaning products as well. But I'm really happy with this now. I think it's clean and fresh enough to kind of live with it and use it for this spring and this summer, and we will revisit again next year. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you've got your own deck cleaning to do, best of luck with it. If you've got any better ways of cleaning your deck, please feel free to share them, of course. And if you're new here, I would love it if you would subscribe and hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and definitely come back very soon. But that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.